Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're over here to shop today. I have got a kit here for my truck. I got a K&N kit. Let's open this up. I'm gonna there we go. And get this out of the box. Yeah. What? Throw it away. But got the K&N intake system here for my truck. We'll pop it open here real quick. See what this looks like here. There's that. All the pieces and parts. There's a filter. There we go. But there's all the pieces and parts. I'll have to get all the factory air box and everything out of here. Work at getting all that taken out. And then we'll get ready to keep those ones. But got over here, this here, Ford Ranger here, that the neighbor wanted rid of. Been sitting for a couple years. So we went over and the battery was unhooked here. We just went ahead and hooked the battery up. I threw my jump pack on it, just checking out, see if it would even start. Well, it fired right up. So I drove it back here to the house. Yeah, she's rusted and stuff, but it's got like brand new tires on it. Somebody did some bad body work on it. But heck, no, that's junk. So, heck, the bed's even in good shape. Got like a line, got the lining on it. She's a bit rusty, but everything's solid on it. It's just been sitting. So we're getting it cleaned out. Had a mouse nest in the glove box. Just junk. We don't need any of that. If it's questionable, just set it out. But so we're gonna get it cleaned up here, and it needs a battery. The battery it ran for about an hour and shut off, and it wouldn't start. So he's messing with that. I'm gonna grab a couple tools and get started on my intake here. All right, get this. Gotta get this here popped off as a cover. Get it out of the way so we can get down into here. Loosen that up there. Pop off this holder from the radiator hose here. Loosen that clamp. Pull out that for the AGR crankcase vent. And then there. Oh, it'll come and snap back on. There it goes. Pop that off and get all this mess out of the way. Don't need that. Unhook the sensors here. Get them out of the way. Get that. I gotta get a wrench. Oh, there it is. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Oh, them little buggers are stubborn.
Yeah, you still telling me that.
There it goes. Whew. Them little things there really hold on. Whole battery tray here, airbox tray I should say, not battery tray. A little rusty. There you go. See that? Kind of rusty. I'll clean that up a bit, and then I'll get back to you whenever we're ready to start putting it in. Alright, got the airbox area cleaned up, painted a little bit there. Now we got, there we go. Now we got this piece here with the, installed this already for the air filter to go on right here. It's ready. Had to remove 3 bolts in the box. This to go on to. I'll sit this down in here and put these bolts back in. I'm a little bit too short to just reach in here. I gotta stand on the front bumper here. There we go.
Guess what?
What's that?
They're still wet.
Cool. Alright, I got the tube here. I have to remove the see, now we got to remove these two sensors here and put them on here. And one here and one here. So I'll do that here real quick and then we'll get back to it. All right. Now I got both of the sensors installed with the new hardware they provided. And I got the nipple put in here for the exhaust gases and the crankcase pressure, whichever. So we're gonna slip this in here. Just like so. I have to go get the other piece.
I know. Now I come to this side and make more room noises. Like my vroom vroom noises. Very vroom vroom vroom.
Alright, now I got the coupler piece here.
Very vroom vroom noises.
That goes on right here. And then you turn it and line it up with that. There.
No, my vroom vroom noise power.
There we go. And then we'll tighten everything down here.
Vroom vroom's got power again.
Trim this hose to fit. Cut it a little bit. Right about here. See that? Let me give you a better view there. That goes right here to there. We got it all fastened down. Now we'll take our connectors right here. Oh, hold on. There we go. Put that one up there. That one up there. That's all hooked up. And now we'll get the air filter. Here we go. Need 2 hands. There we go. This is what we're looking for. Hold on. Get the plastic. There it goes. Ooh, sorry about that. Kind of whipping you all over the place. There we go. Now we'll get this. Oh, let me check. Okay. Trying to do this one-handed here. There. All right.
Dad?
Yeah?
May or may not have ate a few cents.
Ate a few cents?
Yes. Look at it.
How's it looking? Let's take a look at this. Oh, wow.
It's like brand new.
It's looking like new.
Go to the other side and look at it.
Let's go look at the other side here. Oh yeah, look at that.
Scoot that back.
A little bit of cleaning on the seats and everything, and we'll get her all ready to go.
Throw the seat back.
All right, here we go. Got the filter in, got the hood on, got the stickers on. Now we're ready to start it up and see how it sounds. Sounds pretty good. All right. Well, that does it for putting that intake on, and I'll look at the Ranger there to see what we're gonna do with it here. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year if I don't get a video out before New Year's. Videos have been kind of slow lately. Been actually under the weather for the past week. So I got this and I figure I'd make this video real quick. But I would appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. What do you think of the K&N intakes? Have you guys seen an increase in your horsepower, fuel mileage? Whatever, if you've put them on your vehicles, be interested to know. And what do you think we should do with that Ranger? Drive it, make it a toy, what? We'll see. But anyway, share the video, thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.